Welcome to Bafflingo. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 cool products that you can get from Amazon. Before we move on, please press the subscribe button and don't forget that bell icon too. Number 1. 360 Fly 4K Action Camera. The 360 Fly 4K is a powerhouse camera in a compact spherical body, providing 360-degree panoramic video, 190-degree field of view in POV mode, and 2880x2880 resolution at 30 frames per second thanks to its 16-megapixel sensor. The camera is as ready for action and adventure as you are, with a body that is shockproof up to 4.9 feet, IP6X dustproof, and 180M water resistant. Offering 64 gigabytes of internal storage and built-in stereo microphones, the 360 Fly 4K produces 360-degree videos, 360-degree stills, and POV video you'll want to show off instantly. Therefore, it provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for direct access to social media. It also works with the free 360 Fly app for iOS and Android, allowing you to use it as a viewfinder, remote, and editing device as well. Number 2. Native Union Night Cable. Durable lightning cable featuring an ultra-strong reinforced structure for unparalleled strength with high-speed charging up to 2.4 amps. For use with Apple Lightning devices only, Night Cable's brand new construction features an ultra-strength reinforced structure. Independent testing has proved that this durable lightning cable is 6 times stronger than standard lightning cables. The 10-foot range lets you use and charge your device in comfort, while the weighted knot anchors your cable to any flat surface when detached from your device. Number 3. Potensic A20W Mini Drone. This mini drone adopted barometric set height technology. It will automatically maintain a certain height when the aircraft flies up. You don't need to manually control it, and it's safe and easy to fly. Easy to operate for kids and beginners with its advanced features. One key start or landing, headless mode, emergency stop, and so on. Portable mini pocket size, you can take it everywhere. Draw a flight path on the screen on your smartphone. The drone will fly following the route accordingly. Also, the drone will record the scenery along the way. Play the drone through phone app controlling, making the drone fly to the direction according to your smartphone's moving direction, which makes flying the aircraft more interesting. Number 4. Cat Robot. These kitties look, feel, and sound like the real thing. The companion pet cats respond to petting and motion much like the cats you know and love. This two-way interaction helps create a personally rich experience that can bring fun, joy, and friendship to an older adult in your life. We highly recommend this companion pet cat for anyone. Number 5. Gesture Control Armband. The MYO Gesture Control Armband makes a statement before you even start talking. It reads the electrical activity in your muscles so you can control presentations with gestures. Control your content effortlessly and leave a lasting impression. The MYO Armband is a one-size-fits-all device designed for those aged 12 and up. We put all product links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for more content from us. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that bell notification.